In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your TikTok ads account in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to TikTok ads or you've been using it for a while but haven't gone through the verification process yet, this guide is tailor-made for you. With online security becoming more important by the day, ensuring your TikTok ads account is secure isn't just recommended, it's essential. So, let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you need to access your TikTok ads account. Simply head over to the TikTok ads website. If you're not already logged in, the site will prompt you to do so. Click on the login button located on the top right corner of the page. This will bring up a login form where you'll need to enter your email and password, make sure these credentials are kept secure, and that you're using a strong, unique password for your account. Once you've entered your details, you'll click on the login button to proceed. At this point, TikTok will want to ensure that it's really you trying to access the account, so they'll send a verification code to your email. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access to your account, so check your inbox for this code. If it doesn't appear within a few minutes, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as occasionally these emails can end up there. After you find the email from TikTok, enter the verification code provided into the TikTok site. This step is crucial as it adds an extra layer of security, proving that you have access to the email account associated with your TikTok ads account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to account settings to begin the verification process. On the left panel of the dashboard, you'll see a range of options. Look for your profile icon or name located usually at the bottom left. Clicking here will take you to the next set of options tailored to your account. Within these options, find and select user settings. Here you're delving deeper into your account's security settings, an area we want to focus on to set up additional verification measures. After opening the user settings, locate the account security section. This should be straightforward as they're typically listed in a logical, easy to follow manner. Now you're getting to the crucial part. Setting up two-step verification. This feature adds an essential security layer, requiring not just your password, but a second verification method anytime you log in, making unauthorized access significantly harder. Click on two-step verification to start setting this up. You'll be presented with options for how you wish to receive your second verification form via text message or email. It's advisable to set up both if possible, giving you an alternative should one method be temporarily unavailable. For text message verification, ensure your mobile number is correct and that it can receive SMS messages. After entering your number, you'll receive a text with a code to confirm the setup. If you're opting for email verification, you'll go through a similar process. Make sure your email is up to date, and just like with the text message option, you'll receive a code to finalize the setup. You'll need to enter this code to confirm that your email is active and can receive messages. At this point, you've successfully added an extra layer of security to your TikTok ads account by setting up two-step verification. This means that the next time you log in addition to your password, you'll be required to enter a verification code sent to either your phone or your email, depending on the method you chose. This greatly reduces the chance of unauthorized access, keeping your account and its sensitive information much safer. Congratulations, you've now verified your TikTok ads account, making it more secure and less prone to unwanted access. Remember, maintaining the security of your online accounts is an ongoing process. Regularly check your security settings, update your passwords, and stay informed about new security features to keep your digital presence safe. That wraps up our guide on verifying your TikTok ads account. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay secure and happy advertising on TikTok.